Are we good? Good to go. What's up, everyone? You're welcome to TED Talks on MC Smart Homes. My name is Clay. TED Talks. Where is that one coming from? Let's. What's up, everyone? My name is Clay. You're welcome to TED Talks on MC Smart Homes. I'm happy to have you on this show. If you're new, please consider subscribing. Click on the red subscription button below. Turn on your notification, like, share, leave a comment, just anything that promotes the channel and the videos. Today I'm really excited because I'm doing my very first whatever on smartphones. I have not done anything on smartphones up till this point, and I thought I should do something, and I hope this is interesting, intriguing. Hope you get to like it. So let's jump into it. So guys, today we'll be doing a part review and part how should I call it? We'll be looking at some tricks or some features of a device which may be very useful or helpful to you. So today we are doing the review of Xiaomi's Redmi Note 10 Pro. Xiaomi's Redmi Note 10 Pro. Yes, you may have this phone already, but you don't know you have those options, or you may just consider getting it. Maybe you're planning on getting a new device sometime soon. So let's look at its properties. This phone, first of all, I would say this phone has several different properties. First, it comes in either a 6 gigabyte of RAM or 8 gigabyte of RAM. It has 128 gigabyte of storage. That's fairly big, and still has expandable storage, so you can increase it by putting a memory card. It has a memory card space in it. It has 5200 milliamp hour battery. That is pretty good in my opinion. It has this quad camera setup with either a 64 megapixel main camera or 106 megapixel main camera. That is just crazy. It has a depth sensor camera, it has a macro camera, and a wide angle camera. So it has a 16 megapixel selfie camera, and I take you through the bottom part. It has a type C port, has a speaker setup. It has up at the top there is a stereo jack, 3.5 millimeter stereo jack. It has this air space up here, which many people confuse it for another speaker outlet. It's just like a vent, but it push out the sound from this top and makes it sound like it's a dual speaker setup. It has an IR blaster here at the top. I'll tell you what an IR blaster does. It's one of the features which I'm about to tell you about. So that is about it. It has the power button is on the side, which has its fingerprint sensor on the power button, so that makes it really convenient. You do that, it opens. No, so it's really good, though I would have preferred it to be an in-screen fingerprints sensor, but this is a 6.67 inches AMOLED display. So this is the device, and let's see some of the things I would like to show you. So the first thing I'll be talking to you is creating a second space. So creating a second space means that you create another completely different platform from this one, where you can install completely new apps and you can have a different password to open that account and whatever. So it's basically creating another account in the same phone. So you can have like a business and a private account in the same phone. So you can have a completely different Play Store, completely different stuff, everything new. So if you go to settings and you go down to special features and you open second space, and in your second space you take turn on second space. So this creates the second space where you can install everything new and all that. So continue. And now we are on the second space, and this is what the second space looks like. It's just completely new, so you can do just about anything you want. So can switch back, so you can switch back to your main, the main one, if that is how you call it. So I have it to fingerprint. Now it's switched back to the main one. You can see here all the apps. So the next thing I'll be showing you is one hand, how is that called, that thing again, one-handed mode. Just in case, you know, this is a big display, just in case you're busy and you cannot move your a single hand to the top of the screen, you can turn on this one-handed mode. That will reduce your screen and you'll be able to use a single hand. So you go to settings, you go to additional settings, and you choose the one-handed mode, and you open the one-handed mode. You can choose how big you want the new screen to be. Either it's 4.5 inches or 4 inches, or however way you want it. So I have it here at 4.5 inches. So you have to turn this toggle button, you have to have it on before it can work. So let me show you how this works. So since this is my screen, I can turn on, since it's already turned on, if I go this way, I can reduce my screen now to this, and my screen is smaller. I can do whatever I'm doing on a much smaller space now. So the next thing I want to show you is the split screen mode. Split screen mode. So in this mode, you can have two separate apps working at the same time on your screen. So you can have a WhatsApp and also maybe YouTube all on the screen with a split screen. So let me show you how to do that. So you go to your apps, and just so you know, not every app can have this feature. So the apps that have the features, you'll be able to see. So if you click and hold an app, you would see this this feature that appears here, which is like two-sided. If you click on it, the second one, it comes there, and then you can choose the second thing that you want to have on your screen. You can pick whatever it is. So right now I have two separate apps on my screen. Here is YouTube, and So this can have going on while I'm checking something else out. So you see, this is how this works.
But welcome to MC Smart Homes.
And so you can flip it back to full screen. You take it back. This is back to full screen if you don't want to have the split screen anymore. So that is how that works. There is this other feature which is known as the floating window. In the floating window, you can have an app open and you have it floated on your screen so you can do other things while you have it. It's similar to the dual app function, but it's slightly different. So this is how this works. If you click and hold and then you take on this first, second, third, the third feature here, it becomes a floating app. So you can move it around your screen, click at the top, you can move it to the you can move it anywhere you want it to be, so you can still do other things while you have that one on your screen. So the next thing I want to show you is the IR blaster, which I told you about before. The IR blaster is right at the top here, the IR blaster, and this works. This sends out signal so you can control your TV, a Xiaomi TV. I have not tried this with other brands, but I have a Xiaomi TV, so this works with it very well. You open, it has inbuilt the Mi TV Mi Box app, so this is how it is. You can control it, you can turn on or off your TV. So this is my TV. I can do this. See, have it back on. Okay, that is it. I can do whatever. Right, that is it. So see, another feature I want to show you, which is dual video. If you open your camera and then scroll all the way to more, and then here you'd have many options, which I would show you maybe in another video. If you go to dual video, what dual video does is dual video opens up and you're able to have your front and your rear camera working at the same time. So here is the selfie camera and the main camera. So this works very well if you're doing explanations, if you're explaining a concept and you want people to see you and also see what you're explaining, you can have. So guys, the next thing I want to talk to you about is gestures. And gestures define how certain buttons or certain hand gestures on your screen react to apps. So we go to your settings, and we go down to additional settings, and we go to gesture shortcuts, and it has a number of gestures here which you can choose. You can have how to launch Google Assistant. So it says press and hold power button for 0.5 seconds. To screenshot, slide, so you can, all these things I have them turned on, so I can do screenshots by sliding my 3 fingers on my screen, or by using the power and the volume button to do a screenshot, partial screenshot. This too is really exciting because you can do a screenshot of a particular place on your phone, and just have a particular part of your screen being screenshotted and not the entire screen. So guys, these are the things that I wanted to show you about this phone, the Redmi Note 10 Pro. So if you're new to the channel, please do well to subscribe and like this video, share it, leave a comment, let me know if there's another feature which you think I should have spoken about. Maybe in the next video I do, I would include that, but just leave a comment, let me know what you think. And we're just trying to let people know about technology. And I think from today I would call this Tech Talk. I don't know what you think. Tech Talk on MC Smart Homes weekly. I think that sounds nice. So it would start like, what's up guys, you're welcome to Tech Talk on MC Smart Homes. My name is Clay. On MC Smart Home channel I hope that should be nice. So guys, stay blessed and bye bye. See you in the next video.